We're moving on and we're touching the international waters, the waters, as Melania Trump has strongly said that she has nothing to do with the Epstein file. Now, if you remember, some time ago, there was an email that came out where people said that, okay, the allegations that came out to say that she was linked to Epstein in one way or the other was true. But she's here to beat these allegations. She posted a statement talking about the fact that these allegations are misinterpreted. And apart from business, she never had anything personal to do with Epstein. Melania Trump has strongly denied any personal or criminal connection to Jeffrey Epstein, describing allegations linking her to form as false, defamatory, and deliberately misleading. In a rare public statement, she clarified that while she may have encountered Epstein and his associate Ghislaine Maxwell at social gatherings in places like New York and Palm Beach in the early 2000s, there was never any relationship beyond brief, casual interactions. She also rejected claims that Epstein played any role in her introduction to her husband, Donald Trump, and emphasized that she is not a victim in the case, addressing renewed scrutiny sparked by resurfaced documents, including a past email exchange with Maxwell. Melania insisted that communication was harmless and is now being misinterpreted to damage her reputation for political or financial reasons. This and many more happened, but ladies and gentlemen, if you want more details into the stories, you can log on to our website, www.mx24online.com, or you can go on our social media pages at Instagram, Facebook, and Twitter, MX24GH, and definitely more details will be there for you. My name is Daphne Flashley. Have an amazing weekend. Bye-bye.